Mix-minus outputs are an assignable resource. To allocate a mix-minus output to the currently accessed channel, tap the Mix-minus tab, followed by the required width. The number of remaining resources is displayed underneath. Once created, the width of the mix-minus output can be changed in the header. Selecting No Output will remove the mix-minus output. Tap Stereo to change the width to stereo. This area shows the output ports that the mix-minus output is feeding. There are controls for level, tone inject, talkback, and AFL. The pop-up menus display what the mix-minus output is receiving. The left-hand side shows what the mix-minus output is receiving when the fader is open, and the right-hand side shows what it is receiving when the fader is closed or cut. By default, this will automatically receive the same source that the output receives when the fader is open.